Hi loves, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here to do a tag that has been highly requested. It is the husband does my makeup tag. Hubster, who's wearing a dragon costume.
Wash your face, everything clean, right?
Everything is clean.
Coming on do makeup and dirty face. So we have a MAC Studio Fix, LA Girl, Pro Face, Kevin Daquan. Kevin Aquan. I think I know my product them and I think I need to carry it, man.
Okay. Use this with that.
You don't think me must choose I'm gonna use?
No, you ain't gonna mess up my brushes. Are you gonna strangle me? You need more?
One more tip of it for the blend.
Bro, you're gonna break my neck?
Do the tweezer there.
For what?
A piece of ear up on my spot. Lean back.
You better not pinch my skin.
Why did you withhold that?
Oh, heavy, and them heavy man. Come no man.
The camera must get thrown out.
A big laugh and another laugh.
Because you're putting the contour with the highlight.
Right there.
Oh my days.
Too light, not too dark.
Perfect.
Perfect. Oh.
How does it look? It looks like when I do my face? Huh?
No comparison here, baby. No comparison.
I think you have enough on my face.
One more piece of ear.
Ow! You pinched my skin! Give me the damn tweezers! You're banned from the tweezers! Leave the hair! How does it look?
Oh, look, Santa.
Those hairs need to be sorted.
Cover them and squeeze them. Cover them.
Something needs to be done. Oh my god, man.
Do not.
Move your lip before your lip get contour.
Oh my lip.
See by your lip.
God! I'm pretty white though, babe. You put the highlight concealer all over my face like foundation.
It have to blend out.
Okay.
It have to blend out white. Me know if I correct that.
You know the correct.
You know if I correct it. You have one color correct or something. You know why? That's when the light, you know when the video light turn on the girl them at the dance, that's how them face look. And if them alright for sure, them face in a good video light. Just in case I need to use this again, just leave it there. So this is a moisture spot, so it won't get dry.
Yeah, pretty so odd.
Everything you complain about? Should I tweeze the eyebrow for some wild like bush?
Look how you done all of that already on one eyebrow.
You don't say as a complain about me I use too much. When I do a year, it's because of the shape of your face.
Okay,
right, so,
alright.
right, you have to basically start with a line. Right, so that you can like, you know, catch the formula so that it blends in properly. Right. Anyway, you see a blank spot, you utilize this to create body. Yeah. Port out your lips. Alright, what you see happening here is the ported lips give you natural definition coming around with the cheekbones. So it blends in with the shape of the eyebrow.
Where's the diary?
Baby, wait.
I know say it have to touch the block. Somebody's up as well.
Yeah.
Have to touch the block. Have to touch the block. Anyhow, this never dry, I could have used some of this, you know.
I think I know who murdered the boy.
I forgot to use the eyeliner. Gotta laugh too much, I shape my hand, you know, I shape my hand, I shape my hand. I'm trying to wave this. That's it. Yes, I move every minute. Stop move. Look there. Yeah, move. Side there. You have an eraser or something? Alright.
Eyeshadow now?
Eyeshadow. Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you know, you know. So now you will choose a color based on the occasion. Love letter.
No, but can you check if anyone in a wheelchair
Smoky eyeshadow.
Clouds.
was it a Catherine?
We have add a little flair to it now.
I thought you were gonna put it on the eyelid.
So you don't have to blend it down to it?
Babe, talk truth. You ever see my makeup look so yet? Eh?
Lydia was born first.
You ever see my makeup look so yet?
Hold on, man. It's not blend out it. That's what you have to say.
Shut it.
You move time. Man, go in your eye, you know. I don't want it to go in your eye. I want to hurt your eye, you know. Lift up your eye now. Whoa. Yeah. Lift up your eye now.
You don't learn nothing from me.
That
Nothing at all.
you blend out the brush. The blush.
This is the contour powder.
This is the contour powder.
Contour.
That-
Contour.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Baby,
The bone, cheap bones. And the nose. Yeah. Anyway, I have the points them. Remember?
You're no longer a suspect in the current murder.
Shoot.
yeah. At least I learned. Okay. It's going up. Okay, it's a bit.
Avoid a criminal charge, but it doesn't change the fact that you murdered a child.
Oh.
So I'm pretty sure you won't be granted custody of your daughter.
Alright. I think you have enough. I think you have enough highlight. Lipstick, which color you want?
I don't want a serious lip.
Okay.
Ready. Pout out the lips. Dry it. Fold it in. Fold it in now. Alright. Smile. No, smile with it in. Put it in and smile. Push it out now. Push it out. Smile now. Alright. Now, relax the lips now. Pop it now. And now for the Ben 9 setting spray.
Alright. Come spray. Spray from far now. Blah blah blah. That's enough. My eye is stuck. Look. Maybe I can book your pan too. To my makeup job there. Oh my god! I know, something wrong with my eye. You like it?
Why do you look like that?
Excuse me, Anna. Excuse me. I did her makeup.
Look at your eyelashes. Why are you
This eye was glued shut because the glue is all the way down it. Look.
Anna, because every minute she have move, so the glue just a splash all about.
Yo, this is so. I'm pretty.
She want makeup.
Well, guys, this is the final look. I always give you guys the model poses when I finish doing a makeup look, so I thought I'd give it to my husband and do it too. So here we go. How he did. Comment down below how much you rate him out of 10.
Close your eyes. Look that eye. Oh my gosh.
Let me know how much out of 10 you give him. Do I love the look?